your little shoes by the bedroom door. Tiny clouds across the kitchen floor. You laugh and suddenly the whole house sings. Even broken days don't feel like anything. Paint on your fingers, stars in your eyes. You chase the sunlight drifting through the blinds. And every time you run into my arms, the world gets quieter than before. And oh, oh, you hold my hand like you already know, oh, how to turn the darkest rooms into gold. Oh, my little love, dancing through the wires in the waiting rooms. You still bloom, tiny heartbeat, brighter than the afternoon. You still bloom in all those little constellations on your hands. Look like stories heaven wrote before you came. Oh, my little love, you still bloom. Your mother humming softly in the dark, trying to keep the whole world calm. Coffee getting colder by her side. Still she smiles whenever you smile. And me, I learned the shape of hope in hospital halls and paper moons. But somehow every tired night still feels alive because of you. And oh, oh, you laugh like nothing here could ever break. Oh, like even storms were made for us to dance. Oh, my little love, dancing through the wires in the waiting rooms. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You still bloom, tiny heartbeat, brighter than the afternoon. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You still bloom in all those little constellations on your hands. Look like stories heaven wrote before you came. Oh, my little love, you still bloom. Maybe love is just this simple after all. Tiny fingers wrapped around my soul. And every heart tomorrow disappears the moment that you call. Oh, my little love, running through my tired heart like summer rain.